change the name of the channel to Re-Gear. Just thought it was more fitting to a car channel. Other than that, I guess I'm going to take a little break here from, I was putting up all the metal liner essentially in my garage. Huge pain in the butt to do by yourself in this self-isolating times. Anyway, so I decided to get to do a little bit of work on the car. And what I want to do is just a little bit of cosmetic work. The front grille here, I want to take it out and scuff up and paint the black parts in like the GTS cars have. So this area in here is all black on all of them, right? There's just the little rings around. I'll put a picture in of the video here to show you what I mean. I'm sure a lot of people do. So this is going to be my little project here. It's not that big. I'm also going to try to kind of body work some of these dings and dents out. The car is just a good driver quality car, but I just feel like I can get it a bit nicer than some of it is. Alright, so let's follow along and get this done. Okay, so I just got it all taped off. Kind of see what I did there. I just want to keep that one chrome ring all the way around. And then just the turn signal bezels there. I haven't done the headlight bezels yet, but I'm going to do those right now. Just thought I'd show what I did here, because I kind of want to tweak on the headlight bezels a bit. So. Alright, so I decided to not body work those headlight bezels right now. I'll try to do the best I can after the fact. It's not like these are mint pieces, but they are nice enough. They're good drivers. I don't know if you can see, but the tape is in the areas, right? Just the little silhouette there, the ring, if you will, just around the outside of this background. You'll see shortly the finished product. Okay, so this is the black paint dried. I painted it with a flat black, and I don't like the looks of it. So I'm going to paint it over with a gloss because I couldn't find a satin. But I think a satin or semi-gloss would be the best way. So originally, this is what I used. And then now I'm just going to use the Rust-Oleum lacquer, and it's a gloss black. You guys get the idea. I'm going to quickly coat this up and we'll come back when it's dry. Alright, that's just the high gloss applied. I just did a kind of a wet coat. That's going to be good enough. I really don't want a shiny black. So obviously this is wet and it's going to appear very shiny. I'm kind of hoping it dulls off a bit. And we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like, and then put some steel wool finish to the shiny parts and put her in the car. Okay, so there's the finish with the gloss. Kind of hard to see, but I think I like the gloss better. Looks really shiny actually in this image. But we'll start peeling tape and see what it looks like. That one. Got a bit of overspray on some of it. actually kind of like that. Well, you guys get the idea. I think it looks really good, especially once I kind of take off some of the overspray and that on the chrome, or the polished aluminum, sorry. Having a tough run at this. There you go, you guys get the idea now. I think that looks really good. I'll bring you back for the finish once it's back installed in the car and all the pieces are stripped and a little bit buffed. Well, there it is. I got some small goofed up little areas and some paint overspray onto the shiny aluminum there, but I'll scrape that off and polish it up. And I think that looks terrific. Like for a driver grade car, I think that is great. Anyway, next time you see it, back in the car.